A Subaru WRX wheel spacers safe on your OEM wheels. Quality Subaru WRX wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each WRX hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Subaru WRX wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric WRX wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These Subaru WRX wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum change of wheel vibration. Quality WRX wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Subaru WRX wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum WRX wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Subaru WRX wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Being a high-end Subaru wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantages of BONOSS wheel spacers is the FT cooling. The BONOSS FT cooling Subaru WRX wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. Also, the BONOSS Subaru WRX wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. So, the high-quality Subaru WRX wheel spacers are safe on your OEM wheels as long as we install them correctly.